Hello YouTube, thank you for joining us today. This is Graphite Scratch Arts and today we are going to learn how to draw lips. So let's get started. So the technique which we are using today is based on simple curved lines and straight line. We'll start by making a hint for the upper lips, then the separation, and then finally the lower lips. Once we are done with our framework, we'll try to complete the remaining part. While sketching the lips, go gentle with your pencil. Once you are satisfied with your framework, you can go on giving it a shade and then darkening the boundaries. For the front view, we'll start by making a straight line instead of a curved line. Then again, we'll follow the same steps we have seen previously. To draw the lips tilted to the left side, we'll draw by making a curved line tilted to the left, and then again following the same previous steps. Note here I'm making a bolder middle line to give it a hint that the lips are having a little bit more separation than the previous lips. This simple technique can give it an illustration that the lips or the mouth is open. Finally, for the side view, we'll follow the same steps But instead of making a full lip, we'll just make a half lip.